Deep in the heart of a lush green valley, there lived a big, friendly dragon named Snorro. He was covered in soft blue scales, with tiny wings and a round belly that jiggled when he walked. Snorro loved to sleep, but there was one big problem. His snores were so loud they shook the entire village nearby. The villagers tried everything to stop the rumbling, stuffing their ears with cotton, stacking pillows against their windows, even singing lullabies to make him snore more softly. But nothing worked. Every night Snorro's snores sent teacups flying, rattled rooftops, and made sheep roll out of their pens. Feeling guilty, Snorro visited the wise old owl who lived in the tallest tree in the valley. "I don't want to bother anyone," he sighed, "but I can't stop snoring." The owl adjusted his tiny spectacles and hooted, "Try sleeping on your side and breathing gently before bed. It may just help." That night, Snorro curled up on his side, took deep, gentle breaths, and for the first time, he slept peacefully without shaking the village. The villagers cheered the next morning, and from then on, Snorro's snores were no louder than a purring kitten. And so, Snorro learned that even the biggest problems can be solved with a little wisdom and a lot of heart.